Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Diamond Art. My name is Neta and today I have a special unboxing for you. I was considering if I should do this unboxing or if I should leave it for after July. I will explain. I decided to do it now and I will explain again why. So, this kit, how should I start? Let's say, if you have been on our mailing list or if you have visited our website, first of all, I'm sorry for the humming and buzzing. It's the air conditioner working because it is scorching hot here and I can't survive without it and I can't make a video without it. So apologies for that. Back to the kit. If you are a member of our mailing list or if you have visited the store and haven't closed the pop-ups before you read them, we are running on mirthlediamondart.com a summer mystery event. What is this event? If you buy 2 kits, any kits from any diamond paintings, you get for free a mystery kit, the mystery number 2, which is a portrait. So this video is only for those that want to see what they get. So if you don't want to know anything, thank you so much and goodbye. For those of you who want to take a look before you buy something, sit down. It will not be a long video since we can't really locate the special drills, but we will have a good look-see. Stats first. So this kit is 80 by 60 centimeters. It has 60 colors, including 5 AB and 6 Cupid dust, for the total amount of 69,000 drills, and it is by Netady. That's me. So it is a beautiful piece. I really love this artwork. So let me open it. I have the toolkit here on the side because this is a sample and there is no toolkit inside. So last warning, if you don't want to know anything about the mystery kit, you can skip ahead. You can go to the next video. Okay. Let me pull everything out. It came a little smooshed because it was probably under some heavy boxes in the truck, but did they put toolkit? I think they have toolkit inside. Sometimes it comes with a dust bag, sometimes it comes without a dust bag. I don't know what they do. They like to change things up, and yes, they did add a toolkit. So I have already a million, I will have a million once. Let's see. It comes in this nice Ziploc baggie, which it's good to keep it. At least I got the washi tape and the tape. Anyway, you get a roll of our new branded washi tape, and this time the washi tape is as it should be and not as it was on from the last. That's a nice washi tape from the last supplier that I got, the other one that had left the plastic in, and it is a good amount of washi with the logo. You get a pen, much better than the normal stylus you get usually in the toolkits. It is always the same color. It's not a random color. So the pen you will get is this nice blue and transparent one, blue and white, with a 4-placer in one side and the standard single placer with a brass tip on the other side. I use this pen, I was using it before I put it on my kits, and now of course I'm using it because I have it on my kits, but it is perfect size. Then you have a nice tray. It is from Forever Young, again on the same color, and it's a Mirful diamond painting. In the side we have to change it. It is actually two trays if you open it, and if you don't want to use it as a lid, and it has a stopper that can fit in both sides. Now, this is the older tray. I think this is better. I like this more, but it's the same tray. A nice pair of tweezers in this blue color. They are very stubby, so please keep the sleeve on at all times. And last but not least, we have some Forever Young putty. That's different from the other, but they used to give it like this, but now I think it's even heavier. Let me open it to make sure that they have the correct putty. Yeah, it's the same. Some Forever Young putty for you. And there should be a pad of hard wax, but I don't see it. And I don't think anyone is using wax anymore. And if you do, you should already have tons of that. So that is the toolkit. Let's go to the canvas. The last warning, if you don't want to know anything about the mystery kit, then you can close this video right now. So we have a very nice silky soft canvas. It's thick, it's heavyweight, it's very thick, with scalloped and poked edges to avoid fraying. And roll it upside down to let it rest a little. And once you unroll it, you have a pack of drills in baggies. Look at all these colors. Oh my. Let me bring you closer. Look at that. These colors are so pretty. It's of course in squares because Mystery Kit is white background, so you can't really use round drills. I mean, you can, but I don't think it would look very good. We have a sheet, a legend. For some reason they printed in sticker sheet too, but on my sticker sheet, did it say 60 colors? Yeah, the sticker on the box is wrong because we don't have 60 colors, we have 72 colors, and I told them that I want them black and white, but anyway, on this sheet they are colored. But you already saw the color, so I guess it is alright. This is, you can use it as a legend. It's the color, it says here, color list. Or you can cut out these and use them in your logbook. But you also get the sticker sheet, the standard sticker sheet, with the pre-cut labels that you can peel off and put them in your containers, and also has, this is an artwork we created just for this kit because it is kind of representing the colors on the canvas, and some instructions of how to diamond paint. Well, most of you are quite seasoned, but if you don't and need some instructions, you can have them here. They told me they would do some changes on the sticker sheet, and I think I like them because you have all these white spots. They made 3 columns, and you have all these as you can use as extra stickers if you need to use more than one container, so you have some extra stickers, or you can put them aside and use them. I'm also seeing some symbols that I'm not used to. Now that we saw this, I'm ready to flip the canvas. So, if you just wanted to see the color palette but don't want to take a look at the canvas, because no matter how hard we tried to cover the image, if you squint, you can still see it. This is your last and fairest warning to just close that video. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There it is. As I said, if you squint a little, you can see, you can make out the image, but we tried our best to use symbols that would blend together. But there's only so much you can do. Now we have quite a lot of confetti, but we also have areas of color blocking. And I think this will look amazing once finished, and I plan to start it sooner than later, and I plan to work on it against my comfort zone, which is to go row by row and do it randomly. I tried that before and I failed, but I think this time we can do it. I will try to do it randomly because I believe it will look amazing to reveal it in random parts. Since we can't see where the specials go, I will just show them to you on the baggies. I will not go through all the drills, I just will go through the specials. Let me find them. They start from number 61. So all these are the special drills. Okay, so we have AB 225, okay. Our first special is AB 225. It's a peachy yellowy pinky color with very nice shimmer. There are not a ton of it, but it is just so pretty. The next one is AB 318. It's a gray one, light gray. AB 758, it's a peachy color, again, or more salmon. This is a Cupid Dust ZG316. It's a nice lavender purple pink one. Another Cupid Dust ZG407, it's a tan color with very nice shimmer. Next we have ZG415, Cupid Dust, very few of those, it's a silver grey. ZG712 is an ivory color. cubic dust. ZG939 doesn't need much introduction. We all know the number 939, the very dark blue, but with this shimmery silver mica powder on it, it looks really great. Another AB 3774 is another peachy color. Very few small amount of this brown cubic dust. ZG315, an orange AB 3830, and last but not least AB 5200, a white AB. So this is the kit that again it comes with all the orders that have 2 kits on them, and this offer is until the end of July, and this kit is exclusive to this offer. It will not be sold out separately, and it will not come back again in the future. So make sure to grab yours now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to sign because it makes the others jealous, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!